Hello and welcome to my final project for CS50. The title is Internet Time and Real-Time Weather Display Unit. My name is Surendra Kumar. Let us get into the details of how this project has been developed from scratch using some embedded hardware, which I'm going to describe in the coming slides. The hardware I have chosen here is a maker hardware made by a company called M5 Stack. The variant is called M5 Core 2. It is basically a BLE and a Wi-Fi based product which has a touch screen of a resolution of 240 into 320. And with this, I'm going to use a BLE sensor that is going to be connecting through the Bluetooth low energy interface to provide the temperature and the humidity information to the main display. The complete software has been developed in the Arduino platform, which is here for quite some years. I've chosen this particular platform because of the availability of all the libraries that can help in rapid application development and very easy to program the hardware without any additional devices. Though it has been developed on the Arduino environment, the software has been designed uh, to work in a modular manner using some of my experience in developing software. So I'm just going to go through the files available in the project and what are they for actually. So the main file is the one which calls all the functions and I forgot to mention that it has been developed in the C language and I have used very little of the C++ language here. And for the splash screen, I have used the CS50 ducky image, which waits for the user to press the screen so that the main information can be displayed. And the input file is responsible for handling all the touch inputs and all that. The beacon file is mainly to read from the BLE sensor and convert it into a floating point value and send it to the display system. The event.ini file is mainly to handle the various events that are happening internally in the software. Like there is an event that is triggered every 1 second to update the time, and there is another event to switch from the main screen to splash screen, and all that. And also there is a file called time.ino that is mainly for getting the time from the internet. Since I mean, I didn't program it to set the time manually. So the time is currently obtained from the NTP servers, and the time zone has been hard coded to my country's time zone, which is GMT plus 5.5. And finally, we have the display.ini file, which is going to show the information on the screen using vibrant colors and all that. This is the main loop that runs continuously, where it initializes all the peripherals in the hardware, and then goes about continuously updating the time, getting the temperature and humidity from the BLE sensors, and dispatching it to the display system. So there is actually a state machine that gets called every time there is an event. So here you can see that the one event is the 10 seconds elapsed event, which will force the state machine to update certain variables. So I implement a very simple state machine with just two states, one being the init state, which happens when the device is powered on, and the display UI state, which happens once you touch the screen and move away from the splash screen. So let us see a short video of how the hardware works and how it is able to display the time, humidity, and the temperature information. Thank you.